Okay, so for this one, we have the cube root of x plus 2, and that is set equal to 1 over x minus 2 minus 1. So we have the graph here, and it says approximate the solutions. Well, let's just type that in. The first one says the cube root. So one way to do that is I could say x plus 2 raised to the cube root. That's how you get that one. Oh no, it's the cube root. So it's raised to the 1 divided by 3. Whoops, my bad. And what color was that? That was red. So we'll make that red. Okay. And then the next one was 1 divided by x minus 2 minus 1. And that was kind of purplish. And they want to know the two intersections, right? So let me slide over here and zoom in a little bit on it. So there's that one and that one. And so let me take a screenshot of that. All right, cool. And then I'm just going to put that right here so we can take a look at it. Okay, cool. So they give us some answers here. It looks like negative 3.6 and 2.4. So C is the answer. Okay, and that's it on that one.